If you're building a high-performance PC in 2026, choosing the right DDR5 RAM can make a huge difference in speed, stability, and overall experience. In this video, you'll discover the 5 best DDR5 RAM kits that deliver insane performance, stunning RGB, and next-gen features to level up your gaming or productivity setup. Number 1. Corsair RGB DDR5 RAM. When you want your PC to stand out while delivering elite performance, the Corsair RGB DDR5 RAM is built for you. Right away, you notice the stunning 10-zone RGB lighting that wraps around each module, giving your setup a premium, futuristic glow from every angle. But it's not just about looks, you're getting serious power under the hood. With onboard voltage regulation, you can fine-tune your overclocking more precisely than ever before using Corsair's iQ software, making your system both stable and highly customizable. What really makes this RAM shine is its adaptability to your needs. You can create custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles and switch performance settings depending on whether you're gaming, streaming, or working. That means you're always getting optimized speed without the hassle. Combined with high bandwidth and tight response times, this kit ensures smoother gameplay, faster load times, and seamless multitasking. If you're aiming for a balance of style, control, and raw DDR5 performance, this is easily one of the most exciting options you can add to your build. Number 2. Crucial Pro DDR5 RAM. If your focus is pure performance with rock-solid reliability, the Crucial Pro DDR5 RAM is a powerhouse you shouldn't ignore. With speeds reaching up to 6400 MHz and a low latency of CL32, you're getting the kind of responsiveness that can genuinely improve your gaming experience. You'll notice smoother frame rates in demanding AAA titles and faster performance when juggling multiple tasks at once. What makes this RAM especially appealing is its versatility. Whether you're running an Intel or AMD system, both support XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo, giving you stable overclocking across platforms. That means you don't have to worry about compatibility issues when upgrading your rig. The design also adds a bold touch, with options like Snow Fox White or Stealth Matte Black giving your setup a clean, tactical look. Underneath that stylish exterior, it's powered by Micron's advanced memory technology, ensuring consistent performance even under pressure. The extended timings are carefully tuned to balance speed and stability, so you can push your system without compromising reliability. If you want a no-nonsense, high-speed DDR5 kit that delivers where it matters most, this one is a top contender. Number 3. Biwin Black Opal DDR5 RAM. For those of you chasing extreme performance and eye-catching aesthetics, the Biwin Black Opal DDR5 RAM brings something unique to the table. This kit is designed to handle demanding workloads with ease, whether you're gaming at high settings, editing videos, or running heavy applications. With speeds reaching up to an impressive 8400 megatransfers per second, you're stepping into next-level performance territory that truly unlocks your system's potential. One of the standout features here is its overclocking capability. If you enjoyed pushing your hardware to the limit, this RAM gives you the headroom to experiment and achieve incredible results. At the same time, the advanced cooling system keeps everything stable, even during intense sessions, so you don't have to worry about overheating slowing you down. Of course, it wouldn't be complete without dynamic RGB lighting. The visual design adds a bold and modern touch to your setup, making your PC look as powerful as it performs. With a solid balance between speed, stability, and aesthetics, this RAM is perfect if you want something that not only performs exceptionally well, but also elevates the overall look of your build. Number 4. Lexar RGB DDR5 RAM. If you want a premium gaming experience with a strong focus on efficiency and stability, the Lexar RGB DDR5 RAM is a fantastic choice. Designed for next-gen performance, this memory kit delivers speeds up to 6000 megatransfers per second with tight CL30 latency, giving you smooth gameplay and faster responsiveness in everything you do. You'll feel the difference, especially in high-performance gaming and multitasking scenarios. What makes this RAM especially appealing is its reliability. With on-die ECC technology, it actively corrects errors in real time, helping your system stay stable during long gaming sessions or heavy workloads. On top of that, the built-in power management system optimizes energy usage, so your PC runs efficiently without sacrificing performance. Temperature performance is another strong point. The premium aluminum heat spreader ensures effective heat dissipation, keeping temperatures under control even when your system is under pressure. And of course, the RGB lighting adds that extra layer of customization, allowing you to sync effects and create a visually stunning setup. If you're looking for a balanced mix of performance, efficiency, and style, this RAM delivers on all fronts. Number 5. G.SKILL DDR5 RAM. If you want premium craftsmanship combined with high-end performance, the G.SKILL DDR5 RAM from the Trident Z Royal Neo series is in a league of its own. This kit offers 32 gigabytes of capacity with speeds up to DDR5 6000 and ultra-tight timings, giving you exceptional responsiveness for gaming, content creation, and everything in between. What makes this RAM truly special is its precision engineering. It's designed specifically for modern AMD platforms and includes AMD Expo profiles, so you can easily unlock optimized performance with minimal effort. You'll get stable overclocking and consistent speeds without needing to spend hours tweaking settings. Another important thing to note is its matched kit design. These modules are built to work perfectly together, ensuring stability and preventing system issues that can happen when mixing different RAM kits. This attention to detail translates into a smoother, more reliable experience overall. If you're building a high-end system and want memory that combines performance, compatibility, and premium build quality, this GSkill kit is a strong final pick that won't disappoint.
Thanks for watching. If this product helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest Amazon reviews and tech finds. See you in the next video.